This is my 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance. It's approaching the 50,000 mile mark. Its bumper-to-bumper warranty at 4 years and 50,000 miles is about to go poof. So should I get this extended warranty service agreement thingy whatchamacallit or not? Heck, I'm probably tempting fate just doing this video for you. All right, first let's talk about what comes with every standard Tesla these days. It's a 4-year, 50,000 mile, basically bumper-to-bumper warranty, but obviously they reserve the right to say it's within spec, as we all know. I personally haven't had any problems getting service done on either of my cars. It's been a great experience, actually. This particular car, this Model Y that we're sitting in, I've had 2 problems, although 3 times on one of the problems. I'll explain in a second here. One of the problems was a fogged-in fog light. Imagine that. They came out, replaced it, haven't had a problem since. It was during a heavy rainy season, and the whole thing was completely fogged in. I think I have a photo. I'll show it to you here. And they came out, and I'd say 10 minutes. That's all it took. He took the wheel off, pulled the bumper, the inside liner, and put the new one in, and he was on his way, and it hasn't had a problem since. The other problem I've had was the rear spoiler that comes on a Tesla Model Y Performance. We've had them come out 3 times because it kept lifting on the edges. This third one seems like the charm. I checked it recently because they're coming up on the warranty here, and it seems to be sticking just fine. So I think we're good finally when it comes to that. As far as anything else on this car, it has been rock solid. We haven't had any issues. I do have one problem in the back that I've chose to just ignore at this point. It's like a rolling marble sound coming from the rear passenger on the right side here. I know that's where it's coming from. It's every time we make a right turn, it seems, I hear like a marble rolling across plastic. That's the sound that I'm hearing. I don't want them ripping apart the car. Sometimes ripping apart the car causes more problems, so I've just learned to live with it. But other than that, those 3 things, this car has been rock solid. Everything else is just working great, and typically when that's the case, I don't really want to rock the boat, so to speak. I'll tell you what I'm planning on doing with my Tesla Model Y in terms of the extended service agreement later on in the video, so stick around for that. But I do want to go over some of the specs of the Tesla extended service agreement. Notice the wording there. It's not extended warranty. It's not bumper-to-bumper warranty. In fact, it resembles nothing like the bumper-to-bumper warranty, actually. So we are looking at an additional 2 years or 25,000 miles for the Tesla extended service agreement. And all the different Tesla models have different prices. So the Model S, you're going to be laying down $3,100. The Model X, $3,500. The Model 3, $1,800, and finally the Model Y, which is what we're sitting in now, $2,000. That's just the flat rate for the 2 years and the 25,000 miles. Oh, wait, no, it's not the flat rate, actually. There's a $100 deductible per incident. One bonus that I had to dig deep for this one, it does transfer to any new owner within that 2 year or 25,000 miles. So if you buy it now and you decide you want to sell the car, it's going to stay with the car. So you can use that actually as a selling point. Hey, real quick. Yeah, okay. Extended warranty and service agreement. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. If you're finding value in our video right here, don't forget to hit the like button. It totally means a lot to me, as well as hit the subscribe button. Over 11,000 of you have already done so, and it really blows my mind. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. Here's where it gets dicey, and here's where you really need to read the fine print. I'm going to give you 2 links down in the description, the 2 links that you need to make this decision on your own. There's a PDF and a website with an FAQ and all kinds of stuff that you're going to have to dig deep into this if you want to lay the money down. The exclusions are crazy. They're insane. If the 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty had its own set of Tesla within spec stuff, this is next level. So definitely check out the exclusions. It's a long paragraph of stuff. It's this big part right here, and there's a whole thing on the PDF. I mean, obviously you're going to be looking at I don't know why people expect some of this stuff anyway, but brake pads, batteries, which I've actually had 3 batteries replaced under warranty, not the big traction battery. We're talking 12-volt accessory batteries. I've had 3 of those done under warranty, $0. Suspension alignment, obviously that's not a thing. Appearance, cleansing, polishing, shocks, upholstery wear and tear, wheels, tires. There's a lot of exclusions is my point here. So you need to go through there and see what might be covered that you might be concerned about and your comfort level. Another thing that people obviously are going to be concerned about, and this doesn't cover it at all, that is the high voltage or traction battery, not covered in this. I'll explain why in a second, as well as any of the motors. They're not part of this warranty or this service agreement. Are you concerned yet? You shouldn't be, because whether you get this agreement or not, the high voltage battery and motors are covered by a separate warranty. Automatically, already. You don't even have to worry about it. So when this car expires from its 4-year, 50,000 mile, the traction battery or the high voltage battery and motors are still covered. So many people don't know that. I don't understand why. So for instance, this 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance is good through December of 2029 or 120,000 miles when it comes to the high voltage battery and the motors. I will say this, I did a quick Google search. Only 10% of car owners buy extended warranties. Of those 10%, it's something like under 5% that actually use them and get their money back. It's one of those weird things. You have to realize that the company providing the extended warranty has done the math. They've run the simulations. They've done all that stuff, and they will come out ahead every single time. All right, the moment of truth. Would I get this agreement? First, let's go to my Model 3. I've got 63,000 miles on my 2019 Tesla Model 3. That's already been expired. The 4-year, 50,000 miles has already been expired. Did we get this service agreement for that, for the 1800? No, we didn't. All right, so bottom line, am I going to get this Tesla extended service agreement? Nah, I don't think so. It doesn't work for me. It doesn't work for us. The high mileage situation of this car just kind of blows all the peace of mind stuff out of the water. We're going to play the odds. It's been a rock solid car so far for us. We're hoping the same will continue with this 2022. So there you go. Tesla's extended service agreement is not necessarily an extension of the Tesla bumper-to-bumper warranty for 4 years or 50,000 miles. So I hope you found some value. Hope you got some clues in here. I will provide all the links and details down in the description if you want to do your own due diligence before you decide to buy or not buy this package. Hey, if you found value in this video, maybe got some information you already didn't have, don't forget to hit the like button. It truly means the world to the channel. It helps us grow. And go that extra step and hit the subscribe button. That way you'll know when we've got new videos coming out. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Poof! Nah.